Umango Elite has been incredibly well received by the industry and by the end user. In 2023, in early 23, we were really early on in providing intelligent document processing and all that sort of AI capability. But more importantly, delivering it in an easy-to-use, deliverable product. And let's face it, every customer out there is asking the question, how can I incorporate artificial intelligence to streamline my business? I wish I had products that I could just turnkey and get the benefits from. Umango delivers that. And the channel's starting to understand that's the deliverable mechanism and the questions to ask. Customers don't know about Umango unless you ask those questions, and then you've got that product ready to roll. So Umango Elite's been so well received. And now again, with our cloud capability and the added capabilities that we're bringing to market, it's just building from strength to strength.